to change a decimal to a percent. Decimal to percent. You need to move the decimal places, the decimal 2 places to the right. It is very easy to get these backwards, so you got to remember that. Decimal to percent, move the decimal over 2 places to the right. Got that so far? So that can go on the blank there at the top. So for like example A, change it to a percent, it's 0.05. These aren't that hard. Where's the decimal? Right there, right? In the middle between the zeros. 2 places to the right would be 1, 2, there. So we would have 5%. Does that make sense? Do you guys realize that 5 with a decimal point after it is the same thing as just a regular 5? Did you know that? Okay, so that one makes sense that that one's 5%. Yes? Okay, so look at the next one, 1.00. Change that from, it's a decimal right now, changing it to a percent. So what way does my decimal point go? How many? 2. So 1, 2, I'm going to get 100%. Does that make sense? This is clicking. We've heard this maybe somewhere along our lives before. For practice A, I want you to write 1.062. That's a 0. Yeah, it doesn't look like one. It's a 0. It's a decimal now, correct? How do we change it to a percent? 1, 2. I will have 6.2%. Oops. Ignore that. Ignore everything I just said. That is not 6.2%. It is 106.2%. Thank you. Sorry about that. See, even math teachers make mistakes. Yes, that's practice A, please. So does that make sense? Practice B, 0.003. Still doing decimal to percent, so what am I going to do? 2 places to the right. So what will I get? 0.3%, or you can write 0.3%. Either one is acceptable.
Can we say 0.3%?
Don't mix fractions with percents. It doesn't work out real nice. So 0.3% or 0.3%, because you'll see in a little bit we're going to go fraction to decimal, decimal to percent. So saying that 0.3% is going to get you a little confused in a little bit. Questions on that? You've seen that before?